The benefits of yoga for fitness and stress relief. Welcome to this video about the benefits of yoga for fitness and stress relief. Yoga is a popular practice that has been around for thousands of years. Here are some of the physical and mental benefits of practicing yoga. Benefit 1: Increased flexibility. Yoga is a great way to improve your flexibility. The various poses and stretches help to lengthen and stretch your muscles, making you more limber. Improved flexibility can also reduce the risk of injury during other physical activities. Benefit 2: Increased strength. Yoga is not only about flexibility, but also about building strength. Holding poses requires the use of muscles throughout the body, which can help to tone and strengthen them. This can improve overall fitness and athletic performance. Benefit 3: Stress relief and relaxation. The practice emphasizes deep breathing and mindfulness, which can help to calm the mind and body. This can improve overall mental health and well-being, reduce anxiety and depression, and improve sleep. Yoga can help to improve balance and posture. Many poses require a strong core and good alignment, which can help to improve balance and posture over time. This can reduce the risk of falls and injuries, and improve overall physical appearance. Benefit 5: Improved cardiovascular health. Yoga can help to improve cardiovascular health. Certain styles of yoga, such as Vinyasa or Power Yoga, involve more movement and can provide a good cardiovascular workout. This can improve heart health and circulation, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Thanks for watching, and we hope these benefits inspire you to give yoga a try. Remember, yoga is a practice that can be adapted to any fitness level, and can be done anywhere, anytime. Start small and be patient with yourself, and you may find that yoga becomes an important part of your fitness and stress relief routine.